Hello, this is Corolla with Yewno. I'd like to show you how Yewno Discover can help you develop an integrated understanding of the various ecosystems of the Red Sea. In particular, I want to put some emphasis on the coral reef ecosystems and their oceanographic context. I'm interested in understanding the interplay between physical, chemical, biological, and geological factors, as well as the stresses arising from natural anthropogenic causes such as overfishing, coastal development, and global climate change. Let's see what we can find. We enter the search term, and we get a list of different topics to do with the Red Sea, and let's select this first one. And on the left-hand side, we have a couple of definitions for the Red Sea. We have some topics assigned right here. And this is our knowledge graph on the right-hand side. The top results come up first, but we can pull down this lever and we'll get more results that way. So every one of these is a concept and a sub-concept. They're all sharing key terminology, and machine learning has determined that there are connections between these different concepts. So let's take a look at some of these. Perhaps the Red Sea, Dead Sea Canal. Let's see what we can find here. Again, we have topics assigned, and we have a definition, and I'd like to expand that concept. So this is one of the connections we found through our knowledge graph, and now we have a knowledge graph that shows us the connection between the Red Sea and the Red Sea Dead Sea Canal. We can see other concepts, but I want to expand this some, and I'm going to click on search, and I'm going to enter another search term, and I'm going to put in global warming. And here are various topics to do with global warming, and I'm going to select the first one. So with the overview, we'll again have a definition, and you'll see how our knowledge graph is really taking shape with all the different concepts connected to one another. And I want to add another one. I'm going to once again click on search. And then I'm going to type in overfishing. So we select it right here and add it to our knowledge graph. And every time we do that, our system has to go through millions and millions of documents to see which ones are connected, which share concepts. And let me make this larger for you. And you can see all these different connections between overfishing in the Red Sea. There are connections between global warming and the Red Sea Dead Sea Canal, between the Red Sea and global warming, overfishing. Everything is connected. And there are a lot more other topics and concepts that you can explore simply by doing this. And I'm going to add another one for you. I'm going to take a look at desalination. I'll select that right here, and we'll see how that connects to the searches that we've been doing. And this is a way that you can add concept after concept to your graph to explore how everything is connected together. And now we have, again, the definitions. We have different concepts to do with desalination. And then we also have documents. So we can take a look here. We've got the Red Sea and desalination. We can select that. We can select this connection here between global warming and the Red Sea. We select that. This gives us the different related concepts, and we can also look at the documents here. So we have what is called snippets. Snippets are the most important part of a given document, where our concepts are the most closely together, the most relevant concepts are the most used. So there's a variety of different articles here, and we can take a look at them by simply opening up the document right here. It gives us information, Nature Communications. It gives us more details on this particular article, and you can link to it right here directly with the publisher, or at your own library. You can click here to go through your discovery system or your link resolver. If you like a particular article, you can click this little favorite button, and it puts it into the journey. We can also take a snapshot of this particular graph, and this will also show up in our journey here. So if you want to save these, you can export them right here, the little cloud. You can export them all to Google Docs or particular documents. You can create an RIS document, or you can save it as a CSV file. We always have help available right here in the help section, and you can reach out to me at support@yewno.com if you have any questions. Thank you so much.